The XTOOL D5S OBD2 Scanner is an advanced diagnostic tool that offers 15 reset functions, making it a versatile option for addressing various vehicle maintenance needs. It supports comprehensive diagnostics for 4 main systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, ensuring that users can maintain their vehicle's optimal performance. The scanner features a user-friendly 5.45-inch high-resolution touchscreen and offers free lifetime software updates via Wi-Fi, providing a cost-effective solution for continuous vehicle diagnostics. With compatibility across over 90 vehicle brands and support for modern protocols like CAN-FD, the XTOOL D5S is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including 12-volt diesel and light-duty trucks. Its clear navigation display and quick button interfaces streamline the diagnostic process, enhancing efficiency and allowing users to focus on effective maintenance. The scanner's AutoVIN and DTC lookup functions simplify the identification of vehicles and fault codes, while the trusted XTOOL brand offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support.